retest strategy is one of the most powerful strategies in the market that professional traders used to execute good trade setup in the market. Waiting for price to retest a major level before taking any decision in the market will always make you a better and also a profitable trader in the future. One of the things you have to understand as a price action day trader when you open the chart is to understand the market sentiment. You have to figure out the market direction for the day, where the market is headed to. If the market is bullish, follow the market direction. If the market is bearish, follow the market direction. This is pounds against US dollar 4 hours time frame. On the 4 hours time frame, we can clearly see that the market is giving us a bearish structure whereby we have high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, whereby we are expecting in the future for market to give us lower high for the continuation of the bearish movement. Another thing to figure out to be able to trade break and retest strategy is the major levels. You have to mark out the major levels that got broken and figure it out in the market, add other confluences in addition to it to be able to take good setups in the market. Here was acting as a major support level before price broke it down to the other side, whereby we're expecting market to give us a retest at this broken support turn to resistance for us to be able to sell the market down to the next support level, whereby our next support level is around this zone. If price break a major support level or a major resistance level and there is nothing like retest, just allow the market to move in its own direction. Most of the time, markets will always retest a major broken support level or key levels before heading to the downside. Sometimes market will just break a major level and start tanking down to the downside. On the 1 hour time frame, if you study the historical data of price action on 1 hour time frame, you will see that the market has been giving us a steady and same pattern. You can see we have an impulsive movement like this, give us a correction, impulsive movement, correction, impulsive movement, another correction. In the future, we are expecting market to give us another impulsive movement, then correction, impulsive movement for us to be able to sell the market down to this zone. You can see market is approaching our retest zone. This is the zone where we are expecting market to retest for us to be able to sell down to this zone. Another thing that I was able to figure out at this place, we can have a small counter trend line around this zone. Before we can take any trade decision around this zone, we want price to break this correction counter trend line to the downside. We need a bearish engulfing to break it down to the downside for us to be able to sell to this zone. You can see the price ejection at the point of interest, our broken support onto resistance, which is our retest level. Weak rejection, weak rejection, weak rejection, and see the price action formation that signify the presence of seller to ride the market down to this zone. Remember, we are waiting for price to break the trend line. We want price to break the counter trend line before we take any trade decision. We have to make sure the price break the counter trend line to the downside for us to be able to ride the market down to the next support level. Price has broken the counter trend line to the downside. We are risking about 34 pips to make 80 pips down to the support level. Price has got into the take profit level. This is one of the easiest way to trade break and retest strategy without any stress in the market. You have to understand the market sentiment. Trade along with the market direction. The market is bullish, trade along with the bullish market direction. If the market is bearish, trade along with the bearish market direction. Don't try to trade against the direction of the market. Always make the trend your friend. When you trade along with the trend, you will always be a profitable trader. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial breakdown has blessed you in one way or the other, please don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification button so that YouTube can notify you when next I upload video content like this. See you next time, guys.